Step 1. Lay the napkin in front of you. Make sure it is flattened. Step 2. Fold the napkin in half size. Make sure it is also flattened. The third step. Fold again the napkin like a square. Now it's a square on its original size. Fourth step. Fold, fold the bottom part of the napkin. Step 5. Fold the right and the left corner of the napkin. Step 6. Tack it on. Step 7. Fold it again. Step 8. Fold the pieces of the cloth inside the table napkin. Now here it is, the bird of the paradise.